Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chandra and I make videos about reading, writing, and all things books. Today's video is a PrepTober special. Is this your first PrepTober? Here's a crash course, everything that you need to know to get started. Number 1, you need an idea. It's much easier if you already have an idea or several ideas to pick from. But if you don't, that doesn't mean you can't participate. You just need to find an idea. And here are a couple places that you can do just that. Go look for writing prompt videos. There's tons of them on YouTube. There are some live streams where you can find live writing prompts, something to get you started. You can follow different hashtags on Instagram. I know you can follow, let me see, where I found some was writing prompts as a hashtag on Instagram. We'll have Dobby. What can I do for you? On Instagram, yes, writing prompts, follow that one. And then there are books which also have writing prompts in them. So those are some great places to get started. Number 2, develop your idea before you start writing. It's nice if you have an idea of where you are going, but you may not know enough about your world to start outlining. So this is where discovery writing, world building, and character development come in. Figure out as much as you can through discovery writing. Just write down everything that you know about your story and about your world, and that should be enough to get you started. With what you know about your world, then start to look at world building. Anything that you need to know about the setting and environment or locations where people are going to go in your story, or locations you think people might go in your story, go ahead and write that down as well. And then take the characters that you have and build them out. See if you can find names for them. Find some extra names that you can use for other characters that you don't necessarily know you need, but you might want to add in through the writing process, and have all of that set aside and ready to go. Number 3, I like to outline in PrepTober. Even if you're not big on outlining, for Nano it's really important to have a plan, and it doesn't have to be super extensive. Here are some of the approaches that have worked for me. I've done one sentence, one chapter, which is just whatever I think is going to happen in that chapter, I summarize it in one sentence and use that as my outline. I also really like the snowflake method, and you can also use romancing the beats. I've used romancing the beats, although it wasn't specifically for PrepTober. I have used it before and I do like that one. It's also pretty quick to get through. Number 4, schedule. Plan ahead if you have any major conflicts, weekend plans, travel, or work obligations. Make sure that you set aside enough time on the days you can write to compensate for any days that you won't be able to focus on writing. If you're a creative like me and you need to plan your content or let your viewers know where you change your schedule a bit, then go ahead and do that in advance. Plan out any free time or events with friends as well. Free time is important. Just because you have a busy schedule and you have a lot going on and you're trying to write a lot doesn't mean you don't still need free time. You don't want to burn out. And I made another video that you can find, Dobby with the claws, that you can find linked below. And ow. And that should also give you some more information. It's what my to-do list was for my first full Nano and everything that I got done in PrepTober. I will have another similar video coming out, but it won't be quite as extensive because this PrepTober I don't have as much to do. But I hope this video was helpful. It's short, it is a crash course. There's definitely more research and more information out there, but if you just need to get a toehold and something to get you started, I hope this was it for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!